there guys, today we're going to be reviewing Chahal IAS Academy, the Mumbai branch. Chahal IAS Academy was first established in 2012 in Delhi, so it is almost a decade old. However, it also has its branch in Bombay and we're going to be reviewing that branch. It was founded by Mr. Sumesh Chahal, who is he has a lot of experience in this field, and they provide, so to review this academy, I'm going to be visiting a website called blog.education. That is because blog.education is a very trusted website. They have been around for 11 years, one of the oldest websites to give honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center in India. Not only that, they give you consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justdial and Sulekha, so that you don't have to spend hours finding the right institute that caters to your needs. Blog.education does that work for you. So Chahal IAS Academy, they provide both classroom courses as well as distance learning programs for Indian civil service exams, and their aim is to offer quality education at an affordable price. They have been offering this quality education since 2012, and they are on track to become the largest coaching institute network to provide affordable yet quality coaching across the country. So they are very, very famous, you guys. In fact, if you were planning to do IAS, I think you would have definitely heard about Chahal IAS Academy. And they are India's fastest growing civil service coaching institute and Gujarat's best civil service coaching institute. However, our education, after doing a lot of research, has given this academy a very average rating of 4.8 out of 10. They have also rated this institute on different parameters, like their past year results were average, their infrastructure is average, batch size is average, faculty quality is also not good. Their fee structure, however, is good, it's affordable. And now, according to student reviews, like student Google reviews, one student has said that every institution is good when it comes to academics, study atmosphere and study material. And what makes Chahal Academy better than the other institutes is the involvement and availability of the teachers. Every teacher is an expert in their subject and never hesitates to give you extra time. And not only like that, they also help you clarifying your doubts, and if you need any advice, they're always there for you. They're patient. So that's what the student is saying. So basically this review is a very, very good review. However, Gujarat and Delhi's branch of Chahal Academy is actually more famous than the Mumbai branch. So some frequently asked questions will also be answered on this page. So you can see here what are the courses that Chahal Academy offers. So they offer IAS, IPS, UPSC training, IBPS and NCERT training as well. So for IAS exams, you also need to study NCERT portions. So if you are not a CBSE student, definitely this will come in handy for you. They even teach you from NCERT books. Then they also prepare you for SSC, CGL exams and CMAT exams as well. Another student has said that they really like this institute. They have quality teaching, high standard infrastructure, and they have like really good features in this institute as well. Then these are the contact details of Chahal IAS Academy. They are located in Andheri West Station in Maharashtra. This is their contact number, and they offer UPSC and IAS coaching. What are the benefits of Chahal IAS Academy? They have good past year results, their locality is good, they have good study material, and their infrastructure is good as well. They have amazing Google reviews and ratings. They have 303 Google reviews and a Google rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars. This is very impressive. So I hope this review was helpful to you all. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with all of your friends who are IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.